Welcome to SAP Customer Self-Service videos. In this series, we'll be talking about the Procurement Operation Desks for Purchase Requisitions. So this will be a 5-video series. We'll go through about discussing how to set up your workspace and the rules in Procurement Desk. We'll discuss how to create and manage a new queue. We'll then talk about setting up a service level agreement. We'll then show you how to configure new sub-statuses and denial reasons for the requisitions coming in. And lastly, we'll talk about how to set up the approval rule to dictate which purchase requisitions will flow through to Procurement Operation Desk. In the first 3 videos, we walked through how to set up the workspace, create new rules. We then created a new queue and assigned it to team members. We then created a new service level agreement and linked it to incoming documents. In video 4, we'll talk about how to create new requisition sub-statuses and denial reasons. So these will be used to relay information back to the business users. So let's jump into the system and see how it looks like. So from the main dashboard, you should see the Procurement Operation Desk tab at the top. Clicking on that should take us straight into Procurement Desk. From there, you should see the system settings up in the menu tab at the top. From there, if you scroll down, we should see a requisition status and requisition denial reason options at the bottom. So the requisition status is essentially a sub-status that you can allow your procurement desk team members to assign, which will then relay back to the business user on the requisition itself. So the easiest way of doing this is to download a sample file, and this is essentially a predefined example file for you to use. These are just very standard basic examples. If you were to add, or you want to add or modify these, just feel free to do it in the CSV file. If you want to add extra, again, just add new rows here and they should be fine. Just save it. And then from the pretty much the system settings again, so just click on the upload button and it should successfully import your custom statuses there. So to view all your active statuses, you can see the statuses button there, and that should show you pretty much the different statuses that we've added in the system. The next one is setting up the denial reasons. So if your team or procurement desk team member does reject a requisition, we can set up predefined denial reasons for them to select from instead of having them to key it in every time. Similar to the requisition status, we can download a sample file, which is the easiest way of doing it, and that'll pretty much download a subset of examples that we've predefined. Again, you can add in whichever ones you want to. In this example, we're just going to leave these 2 here, so just additional information needed or existing catalog items. So similar to the requisition status, we're going to go ahead and we're going to upload the file, and we're just going to go ahead and upload. Validate you want to upload them, and just to double check your actual denial reasons, you can click on the view settings button there at the bottom and it'll show you your active denial reasons. So just to summarize, in this video we walked through how to create new sub-statuses for your purchase requisitions and setting up pre-configured denial reasons. And if you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to your account manager or the SAP customer support team. Thanks, guys.